In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an email in Gmail using quick and easy steps. Whether you're a newcomer to Gmail or just looking to brush up on your email forwarding skills, this guide will walk you through the process in a way that's both comprehensive and easy to follow. First things first, let's open up Gmail. Make sure that you're signed in to your Gmail account. If you aren't already, go to gmail.com and enter your credentials. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, you'll notice the primary inbox displaying all of your received emails. The first task at hand is to locate the specific email you want to forward. This can be in your inbox or potentially in another folder if you've organized your emails. Simply navigate to that location. Once you've spotted the email that needs forwarding, click on it to open it up fully. This action allows you not only to read through the email content, but also gives you access to additional options you'll need to proceed with forwarding. Now, as the email is open in front of you, direct your attention to the options located at the top right corner of the email. You should see a set of icons or a small arrow pointing downwards. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Forward. Select this option to move on to the next step. By clicking Forward, Gmail will open a new email draft for you. The email content will already be populated with the information from the original message. What you need to do now is decide to whom this email will be sent. In the field that says To, start typing the email address of the recipient or recipients. If the system recognizes the address from your contacts, it might suggest the full address for you, which can save some typing. Before you hit the send button, you might want to take a quick glance over the email. At this point, you have the opportunity to add any additional text to the email body before sending it off. This is particularly useful if you need to provide context or instructions tailored to the new recipient. Finally, with everything in place, go ahead and click the Send button, usually located at the bottom of your new email window. With that, you've successfully forwarded an email in Gmail. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your communications and share important information with others seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional tips to optimize your Gmail and other productivity tools. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon forwarding emails will be second nature. Take care.